How to transition from eating meat to all-natural diet, health and wellness. How do you transition from eating meat to all-natural diet? You can start by getting rid of toxins. The next step is to get into the habit of eating fruits and vegetables. It is advisable to maintain your usual diet except meat, dairy, and junk food. You will substitute foods as you go along. The first step to transition from eating meat is to rid your body of all the toxins. Do this by detoxing your system. Exposing your body to cancer-causing chemicals can lead to numerous diseases. These toxins range from parasites, preservatives, pesticides, heavy metals, and industrial wastes. Parasite infections are quite common. Sometimes they live in the body undetected. People fall ill and end up taking medications. The reason for most of their illnesses results from parasitic infections. One of the most prevalent parasitic diseases is blastocystis. It is yeast-like and has a single cell. You can spot them in the stools of people with diarrhea, abdominal pain, or other gastrointestinal problems. Other well-known parasites are tapeworms, hookworms, roundworms, pinworms, blood flukes, and several others. Parasites affect people in different ways. Some people feel fatigued and have lingering illnesses such as yeast infection, specifically trichomoniasis, cramping, and food allergies. Parasites can also rob your body of necessary nutrients. Speak to your doctor before detoxing. Choose a list of fruits and vegetables. Another way to transition from eating meat is to eat fruits, vegetables, and nuts. The goal is to consume all the necessary nutrients that will keep you healthy. The following list of vitamins will aid you in choosing the right foods. Protein. Protein helps to build muscle mass and helps with metabolism. You can get protein from vegetables like spinach, sprouts, broccoli, and yellow corn. Other plant-based foods with protein include beans, lentils, artichokes, and potatoes. You can get them from fruits such as avocados, dried figs, melon, nectarines, and fresh strawberries. Nuts that contain protein: almonds, pistachios, peanuts, pine nuts, pumpkin seeds. Vitamin A. Vitamin A helps to boost the immune system. Foods that contain vitamin A include sweet potatoes, carrots, dark leafy green vegetables, winter squashes, and romaine lettuce. Other vegetables with vitamin A are green bell peppers, sweet peas, tomatoes, and broccoli. You can get vitamin A from fruits such as dried apricots, cantaloupe, melons, peaches, papayas, and mangoes. Nuts that have vitamin A include pistachios, chestnuts, pecans, rye, walnuts, and pine nuts. Vitamin C. Vitamin C helps to develop and maintain blood vessels, scar tissue, and cartilage. Plus, it is a potent antioxidant that contributes to flushing toxins from the body. You can get vitamin C from yellow bell peppers, dark leafy green vegetables, broccoli, tomatoes, and peas. Fruits that have vitamin C include guava, kiwi, raspberries, and blueberries. Other fruits with vitamin C include blackberries, strawberries, oranges, and papaya. Nuts that contain vitamin C include chestnuts, ginkgo nuts, and beech nuts. Vitamin D helps you to absorb calcium. It is an excellent source of bone health. Plus, it helps the immune system to function well, and it alleviates inflammation. The biggest source of vitamin D is sunlight. Foods that contain vitamin D include portobello mushrooms, maitake mushrooms, morel, and chanterelle mushroom, and whole grain cereals. Vitamin E is an excellent source of antioxidant. It helps the immune system. It aids in maintaining healthy skin as well as the eyes. Foods that contain vitamin E include spinach, Swiss chard, avocado, and turnip greens. Other foods with vitamin E are asparagus, mustard greens, and beet greens. Nuts that contain vitamin E include almonds, sunflower seeds, and peanuts. Vitamin K. Vitamin K aids in blood clotting. Foods that have sources of vitamin K include spring onions, scallions, Brussels sprout, and asparagus. Other foods with vitamin K include fennel, leeks, okra, cucumber, soybeans, olive oil, and dried prunes. Calcium. Calcium helps to build your bones and teeth. Plus, it makes sure your muscles, cells, and nerves work well. Foods that are rich in calcium include collard greens, broccoli, kale, and edamame. Fruits that contain calcium include oranges and tangerines, dried apricots, kiwi, and dates. Other fruits with calcium include dried figs, rhubarb, prickly pears, prunes, mulberries, and kumquats. Phosphorus. Phosphorus aids in proper cell functioning. It regulates calcium and protects bones and teeth. Foods containing phosphorus include pumpkin, squash, beans, lentils, and chickpeas. Nuts with phosphorus include Brazil nuts, pumpkin seeds, cashews, pistachios, and almonds. Folate. Folate is a B vitamin. It is sometimes called folic acid. Folate aids in DNA synthesis and repairs cell division and cell growth. Foods containing folate include beans, lentils, spinach, asparagus, broccoli, and lettuce. Fruits that has folate include avocado, mango, and oranges. No drastic diet changes. Another way to transition from eating meat is to maintain the diet to which you had already accustomed. Please exclude meat, dairy, and junk food. You can saute your vegetables until you are comfortable enough to eat all natural foods. Substitute foods where necessary. For example, instead of your favorite chicken wings, make some cauliflower wings. For all the hamburger lovers, you can eat veggie burgers. They are just as delicious. Start looking up recipes that use only vegetables. They are delicious. Put together a meal plan and prepare a grocery list of what you need to buy. Conclusion. You can transition from eating meat by detoxing. Incorporate more fruits, vegetables, and nuts into your diet. Slowly work your way into eating all natural foods by sauteing your vegetables until you are comfortable enough to eat all natural foods. Finally, substitute foods with an all-natural version. Veggie cheeseburger recipe. Please feel free to leave a comment. You can also share via email, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, G+, Google, Tumblr, and Pinterest. Please scroll down to see the sharing options. Plus, you can subscribe to keep up with my blogs. Please scroll down to the bottom of the page to do so. AnneElBey is a freelance writer specializing in copywriting, editing, and blogging. She also writes content, product descriptions, SEO blogs, and more. To read more about AnneElBey, please visit her website http://www.AnneElBeycopywriter.net.